Allowed opponents to average over 100 points per game for the season. Towns drills it, but they've lost their last two at home.
Mills, man.
Travion Graham wide open, couldn't get it to drop. And Rudy Gay to LaMarcus Aldridge. That was a little bit too easy. Wiggins attacking, and Wiggins finishing.
They're going to go under on Andrew.
Forbes, and he'll get a whistle and an and one opportunity for Forbes. Forbes.
Bryn Forbes is knocking him down.
Back to a one-point game. 65 days they've been under 500 in the last 22 years. As DeRozan able to get it to roll, and if they lose this one tonight, they will be under 500. Murray dumping it down for DeRozan. Extra pass to Aldridge.
It's like a layup for him.
Culver, and that's a